guys, B-DaChamp here doing a review of BD-08 Lightning DRAVISE. This set comes with Lightning DRAVISE, the Tornado magazine, 6 marbles, 2 target, and a regular tool. First of all, let's take a look at Lightning DRAVISE. Lightning DRAVISE uses the rev core. He have a horn for aiming and have wheels to move around. Better than normal B-Daman. Yeah, that's basically it. Now let's take a look at the Tornado magazine. The Tornado magazine can hold up to 40 marbles. The bottom part can hold 6 marbles and the top can hold 34. That's all for the Tornado magazine. Now let's take a look at the targets. Let's take the marbles out. These targets are the exact same thing as these one from the Lightning Fin set. So yeah, the only difference is the color, and these have some circle inside. So now let's do some test shots with Lightning DRAVISE. Three, 2, 1, be fight. Pretty accurate B-Daman. That's basically it for the review. B-DaChamp signing off.